Bumulusok pa to! Ha? Ayan o, may adlaw mga bay. So, tayo motivated. Si Sir Archer, si Dragon, si Melvin, at saka si Kotsam over there. We are here in Takadang Trail mga bay. Second gate na kami ng Takadang Trail. Initial impression mga bay, hindi siya ganun ka-easy. Especially for big bike na mga riders mga bay. And mine, meron kaming 3 big bike dito. Desert X mga bay at saka Honda 750. Ayan, so Desert X mga bay dalawa, then Honda 750, then dala namin mga bay puro mga dirt bike. So ito yung isa ka dirt bike mga bay oh. Ayan oh. Ayan, spot slide. Yun o, puso, ang ganda o. May falls, tingnan mo yan. Woohoo! Ganda. Woohoo!
Pero kailangan na dyan, ikaw na lang, Bong, selfie.
Yes.
Para makita tayo.
Naka-record ako.
Nice.
Oo, naka-live ako, so pwede to. Ayan mga kabayo. Ayan. Woo! Tingnan mo yan o.
Navigating the rugged terrain with its precarious floating stones and slippery gravel offers a thrilling test of agility and balance. Conquer the steep slopes while honing your foundational skills. A unique challenge awaits that promises to elevate your abilities. Welcome to Takadang Trail.
Ito, medyo matarik to masyado. Okay. Tarik to. Oh.
Safer approach in navigating steep downhill with loose gravel. Engage to first or second gear, maximizing the engine brake. Balls of the feet on the peg, heels down, putting your body weight on the rear tire, and lightens the front tire. Butt far back, use only front brake, but manage it. Do not lock. Chest up, easy on the handlebar, and look ahead. Safer approach in navigating steep uphill with loose gravel and relatively bigger floating rocks. Engage to first or second gear, balls of the feet on the peg, heels down, putting your body weight on the rear tire, and lightens the front tire. So your bike able to hurdle bigger rocks on the terrain, easy on the handlebar, and look ahead.
Galing no! Bumulusok pa to! Ha? Okay na?